inches. Here they come.
Hey guys, it is December the 31st, 2023, New Year's Eve here in Gulf Shores. Actually, we're in Orange Beach, but a few people out on the sand today. Gorgeous day. It's about 60 degrees. It's around 10:30 in the morning. Beautiful sand, water. Last day of 2023. My plans are for tomorrow to either get you the polar bear plunge down at the hangout in Gulf Shores or the polar bear dip over at the Floribama here in Orange Beach. The coastal restaurant here in Orange Beach. Beautiful New Year's Eve day here at the Wharf, Orange Beach. Ice skating rink still up and running. Huge crowds out today.
Okay, look at the camera.
All right, look this way. One.
Spread your wings.
Face painting, carnival rides, balloon animals. We're doing everything today here at the Wharf. New Year's Eve 2023. So lots of kid activities going on here today at the Wharf. New Year's Eve 2023. Construction here at the Additions at the Wharf. New Year's Eve 2023. Thank you for watching the videos and thank you for subscribing.
18 inches. Here they come.